In this video, I'm going to show you how Voxcommando can control Netflix.com. So let's just go ahead and jump right in and show you what it can do.
Loading Netflix. Please wait.
You can just go ahead and navigate to the one you want and hit select. And as you can see here, it automatically focuses the first poster for us. We can navigate the entire home page up, down, left, and right. It'll automatically click the carrots for us. You can also select to view trailers. And then of course you can just hit the select button and it'll load the trailer right up for you. And then you can pause the video. You can jump ahead 10 seconds. You can jump back 10 seconds. You can fast forward at different speeds. You can rewind at different speeds. You can hit play. You can then go back. We'll hit stop now. And you have full control over any video that's played through Netflix. We can also pull up episodes. So while we're on the home screen, if I push the select button, it'll automatically pull up episodes if there are any. If it's a movie and I hit the OK button, it will directly launch and start playing the movie for us. But I can go through, I can navigate through episodes. And as you can see here, it will auto adjust. We can also select seasons. So while viewing episodes, just press the up button and pick the season you want. And then you can just go ahead and navigate through or hit select. Again, you have trailers. You can also pull up details. Just press the info button. And then to exit details, you can either press the back button or the info button again. We can also view more like this. Now with more like this, the only downside is when you hit OK, it will launch it and start playing from wherever you left off. So if it's a show you've already watched, it'll resume to that point. Otherwise, it'll start the show at the beginning. One small problem that I have with this is when I'm in the more like this section, once I click that right caret, if I go back to the first set of posters, you'll notice that Portlandia and Archer, for some reason, will not be highlighted. If I push left once, right now it should be on top of Portlandia, so if I hit OK, you'll see that it highlighted it and it'll start playing it. And it does the same thing with both of them. That's the only area that it does it, and I think the HTML just changes in the background and it no longer focuses on the items directly. We'll go ahead and hit stop. Now, of course, the downside with this is when you stop video playback, it will automatically reload the home screen and will not bring you back to where you were. And that's something I just haven't been able to get around, and it's partially because that's how Netflix.com works. You can also add and remove from our list. And you see there it added it, that removed it. I can also give 1 through 5-star rating. I can also browse for genres, browse Netflix action and adventure.
Loading Netflix action and adventure. Please wait.
So now as you can see here, I can also navigate through the subgenre page. And you'll notice that there are no carrots on this page. So when you push left or right and you hit the beginning or end of a row, it will just automatically bring you up or down a row. You can also navigate directly up and down. I also added in the ability that whether you're on a TV show or movie, if you just want to resume and don't want to have to find the episode, if you just press the play button, it will automatically launch and resume from where you left off. That's for the home screen and subgenres as well. And then when you hit the top of the list, it just won't do anything. And then any sound effects that you hear, so if you listen, when I move left, right, up, and down, and press back, you'll hear sound from the navigation. I will add those audio files along with the command. It's up to you if you want to use them or not. And then I also have a audio file for select. Let's go ahead and move into a different section first though. Browse Netflix Kids TV.
Loading Netflix Kids TV. Please wait.
Okay, and if you listen here, you'll hear the select sound. Now, right now when I hit select to load this episode, you'll notice that it does take a little bit of time, and that's why I added in the audible sound so you know that the remote function actually went through. And again, if I hit stop or back from video playback, it will automatically reload home screen. So even if you were in the middle of a search or browsing genre, it'll still take you back to the home screen. And then you can also search by voice. Search Netflix for walking.
Searching Netflix for walking.
And again, you can navigate through. You can add and remove from my list. You can also give star ratings at this point as well and view more like this, details, and everything else. You can also pull up Netflix profiles, show Netflix profiles. And then you can just navigate to the one you want to use and hit select. You can also change profiles by voice. So I can just simply say, load Pegleg TV's Netflix profile.
Loading Pegleg TV Netflix profile.
And as you can see there, it loads up a new profile. All right, and one more thing. When you're viewing episodes, if you just hit the back button, it will bring you back to the overview, which I can have it considered as home view. So once you are in home view, if you press the back button again, it will automatically exit the app for you. Next, I'll show you one of the added benefits of using Netflix through Voxcommando. It gives me the ability to send video from the Netflix app to Voxcommando. Now, in order to do this, it is a little bit of a workaround. But what I do is I share it through Pushbullet, and then I use Event Ghost with the Pushbullet plugin to receive the link, and then I pass that link on to Voxcommando, which then in turn launches the video on the TV for me. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so in order to send TV shows or movies from your Netflix app to Voxcommando, we'll go ahead and start by launching the Netflix app, of course. And then next, we'll just select the show or movie that we want to watch. I'll just go ahead and use The Walking Dead. And then we just go ahead and click Share. And then we select Pushbullet. And then we just go ahead and find the device that we want to send it to.
Loading your Netflix selection. Please wait.
And as you can see there, it's loading up and it'll resume from where I left off. That's the only downside. You can't really send individual episodes. And then just to show you, I get full video playback, and I can also play, pause, frame jump ahead, 10 seconds at a time, jump back 10 seconds, and fast forward rewind as well. That should do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it.